my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be filming my monthly Ipsy bagging, unboxing, whatever you guys like to call these videos. I am actually late on my October Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever you guys like to call these videos. And that's really unusual for me because a few years ago, I used to be like all over the place with my Ipsy bags and just like always forget to film them. But like the past year or two, I've been like right on it. But October has been a crazy month and I'm going to be doing somewhat of an update video. Well, not really an update, but I'll be doing videos talking more about what's been going on and what I've been up to lately. But October was a crazy month and I did not get to upload as much as I would have liked to, and that's just the reality of it when college gets in the way, and we all know how I feel about college. But that's not about this video. Again, I'm here to do my Ipsy video for the month. This month there is last month now, there was a collaboration with Ipsy and Betty Boop, and they actually had an entire Betty Boop makeup collection. It was on Ipsy Shopper for the whole month of October, and I forgot to purchase it, so I'll be purchasing it on eBay and then reviewing it for you guys because that collection looks right up my alley and I just really want to get that collection. I'll be reviewing it at some point. I still have another makeup collection that I purchased a few months ago and I never have had the time to film the review yet. As you can tell, I'm a little bit behind and it's super frustrating because I have so much content that I want to film and just so many video ideas, and like I said, just so much content I want to film and just not enough time. So it's super frustrating. That's not what this video is about either. Let's go ahead and see what's inside Ipsy bag and what I think of October's bag. Ipsy is a beauty subscription service. They have multiple levels of the subscription. There's Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag Ultimate. You can check out the website linked down below if you're interested in subscribing to any of the levels of subscriptions, or you can subscribe to some of them or all of them. I've only ever been subscribed to the Glam Bag simply because that's all I can afford, so I still love it, and I have so much makeup I just really don't feel the need to subscribe to the Glam Bag Plus or Glam Bag Ultimate. If you use my link to sign up for Ipsy, any of the subscriptions, I will receive 600 points to redeem in the Ipsy point store. And I actually have a product in this video today that I'm going to be showing you that I redeemed my Ipsy points for. All thanks to you guys for when you sign up to Ipsy, you used my link and I got to choose a product to redeem for because I had saved up enough points. So thank you guys for that, and I'm super excited to share with you guys that product. If you'd like to help me out in that way, again, I'll have the link down in the description below. I highly recommend Ipsy. It's so awesome. It's my favorite subscription and one of my favorites, and that's how I got to go to Ipsy Live, New York City. And also if you subscribe to Ipsy, you'll get notifications about their upcoming events if you want to purchase tickets for them. If you have yet to see the video of the items that I got for Ipsy Live New York City, I will link that video, and then it also just talks about a little bit about the trip and how I got invited and things like that. For real, this intro is the longest Ipsy intro ever. Let's see what I think of the bag. So I think this bag is super cute. The Betty Boop collection is super cute, and I love the overall collection, like I said, and I can't wait to review that for you guys because just the colors and everything. And when Ipsy did the Ipsy and Tetris collaboration, the quality of the products were way better than I even expected. Again, I'm really excited to try the Betty Boop collection. The only thing I'll say is the sequins on the back are just not really my thing. I think it really cheapens the bag. I don't know. So I would have rather had them leave it matte black instead of sequins, but that's just my personal preference. But other than that, the bag is super cute. Before I get into the contents of the bag, I want to show you guys the product that I redeemed my Ipsy points for, and that is this Referral brush set, and it has a set of 5 brushes, and I really love the quality of their brushes, and when I can get makeup brushes for free, I get on it because I hate cleaning my makeup brushes. And so if I can just avoid that at all costs, I do it because, like I said, it's very annoying and I hate cleaning my makeup brushes, and you could never have too many eyeshadow brushes. So I had to pick this up, and I'm so glad I did because these are just really great brushes and you can never go wrong with a brush set. So thank you guys for that. I will also have all the products in this video linked individually down below. Here is the card for this month, and also this was the first time that you could pick one of your products in your Ipsy bag. I don't know if they do this for the Glam Bag Plus or Glam Bag Ultimate too, but like I said, for the Glam Bag subscription, pick a product. They give you a list of options and then select one product that you want. So you're guaranteed to at least get one product that you like because you chose it. And they also claim that the 5 products in the glam bag is worth at least $50 now. So here's the card of everything that I have in my bag, but I don't want to look at that quite yet. The first product that I received in my October ipsy bag is by It Cosmetics, and this is the Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the shade Light. And I was really surprised when I saw that I was receiving this in my ipsy bag, because this product has tons of shades, and the fact that they picked the exact shade that I use in this product is pretty cool. I wear the shade Light all the time. I'm trying a new foundation right now. It's actually a Smashbox foundation that I received in an ipsy bag last month in September. I'm not wearing the It Cosmetics one right now, but I do love this one, so this is perfect for travel. Here's what the product looks like. The next product I received in my October ipsy bag is by Marc Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. I've actually been hooked on Function of Beauty hair products, and they're the only hair products that I use now, and I actually use their leave-in conditioner too, so I already have a leave-in conditioner that I'm using, so I will probably just give this to a friend. But if you're looking for something more affordable than Function of Beauty for quality-wise of hair products, Marc Anthony is really good too. This is actually the product that I chose. Like I mentioned, they give you a list and you can pick what product you want in your ipsy bag. Like you can pick one and then they customize the other 4. This is the product that I chose, and this was before I got the email to pick one of my products before the Betty Boop collection came out for purchase. So I didn't know that it was going to be a whole makeup collection. If it was going to be a whole, if I knew before picking the product that it was going to be a whole makeup collection and I would have been interested in purchasing that, I probably would have chose a different product for my chosen product in my ipsy bag, because this lipstick is in that collection, but I don't know, I didn't know it was going to be a whole collection. This is in the shade Mauve Baby. Packaging is very sleek and I really like it. This color is gorgeous, so I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This may be my new favorite lip color ever. I just love it. I love how it's like a deep mauve color, but not too deep. Obviously, I know it's mauve because the color is Mauve Baby, but I love this. This, like I said, may be my new favorite, like, everyday color. I adore this, and even though it's in the Betty Boop collection that I'm going to purchase, I am still so happy I got this, because like I said, this color is gorgeous, and I think everybody needs it. So again, I'll link all the products individually down below. The next product we have here looks like it's by the brand Basic Beauty. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's a really gorgeous blush. It's a jelly blush in the shade It's October 3rd. Here is what the product looks like. I've never tried a jelly blush, so I'm really excited to swatch this for you guys. Oh, that has a really interesting consistency. Like, I can't even begin to describe it to you guys. It applies gorgeous though. So effortless and smooth and soft. Such a natural, this is like the most natural blush that I have. And I'm not a huge blush fan, but I'm definitely gonna start wearing this. That is gorgeous. That is a blush that I will wear every single day. The last product in my ipsy bag is actually 2 products, but they're counting it as 1, and it's some sheet masks, and they're by the brand Lab For You. There's some sheet masks, which we all know they're not my favorite, but that's okay. This is the Juice Up Pumpkin Mask, and then we have the Juice Up Tomato Mask. Again, I won't be using these. I'll be giving these away to a friend. It's kind of a bummy way to end off this unbagging, unboxing, whatever you guys like to call these videos, but it's what I got in my ipsy bag. So these were actually in the envelope. They couldn't fit in the ipsy bag, so I don't know why I showed you guys these last. That's everything that I received in my October ipsy bag, and again, I apologize that this video was late, so you'll technically be getting 2 ipsy bags this month, ipsy bag videos this month. So I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you guys still like that I uploaded this video. But this ipsy bag was okay. I don't really want to count the brush set as one of my products, because if I wouldn't have had the points, I would have got the product. So it is what it is, and overall, I still really enjoyed the majority of the items that I received in my glam bag this month. If you're subscribed to Ipsy, let me know what your favorite product was that you received in October, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!